everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to guide you about car dashboard warning lights, so let's dive right in. Car dashboard warning lights come in a variety of colors and symbols, each with its own meaning and severity level. Car dashboard warning lights provide vital information about the health and functionality of our vehicles. Here are some important warning lights and their meanings. Red warning lights, urgent, pull over safely as soon as possible. Engine coolant temperature, this red thermometer-like symbol with squiggly lines around it means your engine is overheating. Stop the car immediately and turn it off to prevent serious damage. Oil pressure, this red oil can with a dripping spout indicates low oil pressure, which can damage your engine. Stop the car and check your oil level. If it's low, don't drive any further and call a tow truck. Brake system, this red exclamation mark in a circle with parentheses around it means there's a problem with your brakes. Stop the car cautiously and avoid driving until you've had it checked out by a mechanic. A battery, this red battery symbol means your battery is not charging properly. You may be able to drive for a short while, but you'll likely need a jump start or a new battery soon. Yellow/orange warning lights, caution, get it checked out soon. Check engine, this yellow engine symbol, also known as the malfunction indicator lamp, MIL, indicates a problem with your engine's emission system. You can usually continue driving, but it's best to get it checked out by a mechanic as soon as possible. Tire pressure, this yellow exclamation mark inside a tire symbol means one or more of your tires is underinflated. Check your tire pressure and inflate them to the recommended level. Anti-lock brake system, ABS, this yellow ABS symbol means there's a problem with your anti-lock brakes. You can still drive, but your brakes may not function as effectively in an emergency stop. The fuel light on in your car means that you are low on fuel and need to refill your tank soon. This is just a small sample of the many car dashboard warning lights. If you see a light you're not familiar with, consult your car's owner's manual or refer to a trusted online resource for more information. Remember, it's always better to err on the side of caution when it comes to warning lights. If you're unsure what a light means, pull over safely and get it checked out by a qualified mechanic. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. For more useful content, safe driving, and see you in the next video.